Hi guys, welcome to my another vlog. So today I will be making khichri. Khichri is basically eaten by everybody, by children, by adults and everyone. So before I begin with this recipe, I would like to request all my viewers who are basically watching my video but are not subscribing. So please guys, subscribe to my channels so that I can bring to you more and more videos like this in future. So let's begin with this recipe. It's quite yummy. So let's begin. The ingredients that we'll be using in this recipe is we'll be using onions, tomatoes, green chilies, rice and dal. You can either take the yellow dal or the orange dal. I've took the orange dal and I took rice and I've soaked that in the water for half an hour. Oil, all the spices. I took red chillies, I took dania powder, zeera powder, salt, garam masala and turmeric powder. So the quantity and everything is basically I'm going to mention in the description box. So let's begin guys. I'll put oil, onions, I'll stir it till it turns golden brown. Okay guys, I'll be putting tomatoes and green chili and we'll stir it. We'll add a bit of water. We'll add adrak lasan paste. Stir it good. Add a bit of water. We'll add all the spices to it. We'll stir it good. We'll add water. I will keep it for 5 minutes. Then we'll be putting 1 glass of water. Guys, I will be putting rice. We'll keep it at least for 10 to 15 minutes for the rice to get cooked. Okay guys, you can see that my khichri is ready. So now it's time to dish it out. Okay guys, my khichri is ready. I hope you will like this video, and if you like this video, so kindly please subscribe to my channel so that in future you can get more and more videos like this. Guys, this khichri you can serve it with yogurt and with any sort of curry that you make at home. You can serve it with that. Along with this, you can also give to your children, to your child, to your kid who is just like 3-4 years old. They will definitely going to like this. So guys, have a nice day. Bye bye, take care.